In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see dividends received on Etoro, whether you're building income or simply checking what's been paid. I'll show you exactly where dividend credits appear and how to filter them by month for quick reviews and reports. By the end, you'll have a clear routine to confirm every payout that lands in your account. First, log into your Etoro account, then go to Portfolio. This is your hub for current holdings and related activity. On desktop, it's in the main sidebar. On the mobile app, it's in the bottom menu. Opening Portfolio ensures the next screen reflects your live positions. Interface wording can vary slightly by region or app version, but the Portfolio label is consistent, so it should be easy to spot. From Portfolio, open History. This view lists every account event in chronological order: trades, deposits and withdrawals, fees, and most important here, dividends. If you don't immediately see history, look for it near the top of the screen or within the portfolio section. Etoro records each dividend as its own line, so you don't need to dig through individual asset pages to find what was paid. Now look for entries labeled dividend. Each line shows the paying instrument, the date it was credited, and the amount added to your balance. Many dividends display net of any withholding tax, and amounts are usually shown in your account's base currency. If you hold multiple dividend-paying stocks or ETFs, you'll see a separate dividend line for each payment. Also remember that only holders of record on the ex-dividend date receive the next payout, so recent buyers may not see a dividend until the following cycle. If you want to review a specific month, use the date filter within history. Open the filter, choose the month and year you need, and apply. The feed will refresh to show only that window, making it easy to total your monthly dividend income or compare periods without endless scrolling. When you're done, clear the filter to return to your full activity list. For a consolidated view, you can also download your account statement. Select a monthly or yearly period and generate the report. It will include all dividends for that range alongside your other activity. This is especially useful for record keeping, budgeting, reconciling your cash balance, or sharing figures with a tax professional. Save the statement for your files so you can track income over time. That's it. Log in, open Portfolio, go to History, spot the dividend entries, and filter by date when you need a clean snapshot. With this simple routine, you'll always know when and how much your investments are paying you on Etoro.